The set we provide for turbo mounting for the 6.4 liter Power Stroke, I think is a step above in the industry. So rather than choose the traditional composite gasket that many have, we have moved to the multi-layer steel design, which obviously offers more reliability. The next thing that is really important is we include that hardware. Hardware has become more important every day. So with the addition of the correct multi-layer steel gasket and the mounting hardware, we have made the installation and reliability of that application far better than anybody else offers.